This here is a Hisense refrigerator. The compressor does not work. I don't change compressors, especially on refrigerators that are 600 RA or 600A, because that is lighter fluid. It's butane. It's highly explosive. I don't have the equipment to handle that properly, so I don't mess with compressors with 600A. Nonetheless, I want to take this refrigerator apart and see what I can sell on eBay. I got this refrigerator for $10, I believe. No, I got it for free. And so it doesn't cost me anything to take it apart and see what I can get